Okay, so come to the context. On the last class, we have discussed the page number 56 and 57 from coal and petroleum. And today, this is from section 5.1, that is coal. So everyone, as it is a revision of that chapter, so everyone having some preliminary knowledge about the substances that is coal, and this is not from class 8. You have the prior knowledge of coal from the very beginning of your study. So coal, just follow it. Coal is one of the fuel used to cook food. Now, in which class the coal is there? What is the another name of coal? What is the another name of coal, or in which class you will classify the coal? In which class, or in which, what is the broad respect of classifying coal? Answer to the question, in broad respect, what is the name of coal? I hope you can answer well. No, this is not black gold. This is fossil fuel. Yes, Chandranath. On the last class, we have ended on fossil fuels. Just look at the bold letters on page number 57. Okay, now coal is one of the fuel used to cook food. Earlier it was used in railway engine to produce steam to run the engine. Now, can you tell me that how the energy is converted when the coal is used to run the railway engine? What is the conversion of energy? We know that energy can be converted. So, conversion of energy. When coal is burnt, it produces heat energy. Okay. Now, this heat energy is used to run the steam engine. So, here the heat energy is converted to which energy? That is mechanical energy. Which helps the engine to run. So, here heat energy is converted to mechanical energy. Yes. So, this is the conversion of energy. There is a lots more example on this, that is conversion of one energy to the another one. Okay. Now, here one example I can say here, that is from electrical energy, electrical to chemical. Can you tell me the process in which the electrical energy is converted to chemical energy? Can you tell me that electrical energy to chemical energy? Anyone? Electrolysis. Yes, very good. Here the energy is converted from electrical energy to chemical energy. Okay. Now, from chemical energy to electrical energy, there is also done in a cell, that is fuel cell. Here the energy is converted from chemical to electrical. Okay. When a battery, suppose it is a battery, its two pole is there and it is joined by a circuit, and there is a bulb. Okay. This is the positive and this is the negative. Now, here the energy is converted from, that is chemical to electrical. So, chemical to electrical. What is the example of this? Battery, yes, or fuel cell. Okay, so these are the simple example of conversion of one kind of energy to another kind. Can you tell me few more examples on that aspect? That is where the energy is converted from one form to another form. Any example? Solid form to gaseous form in case when coal burns. No. Destructive distillation. No, these are not the examples of that. Bulb. Yes, this is one form, that is from electrical to heat energy, bulb. And also the light. Okay, the heat energy is electrical to heat. This is one example. From mechanical energy to electrical energy. From mechanical energy to electrical. Can you give any one example? Mechanical to electrical. Dam, yes. Hydropower. Hydropower project or hydroelectric power. Mechanical energy, that means when a wheel is running, it is due to some mechanical energy. Okay, when a machine runs, it is due to some mechanical work done on this. Okay, so it is from that. Here, mechanical energy. Why? Because due to the flow of water, that is due to the flow of water, the turbine moving, and as the turbine is moving, so this is a wheel, so here mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy because due to the revolving of the wheel, that is the turbine, the electricity is generated due to change in the magnetic flux. So this is the mechanical energy. Understood? Sneha. Okay, these are some of conversion from one source to another one. Now the story of coal, you know it. Everyone has studied it or not? What is, how the coal is generated, or what is carbonization? What is carbonization? What are the conditions for carbonization? If we, yes, dead vegetation to coal, yes, the process of conversion of dead remains of plants into coal, yes. And what are the, here you have to mention the pressure, temperature, and also the absence of air. Okay, due to pressure, temperature, and absence of air, and it is also a slow process. These are the key words. Pressure, temperature, absence of air, and first one is a slow process. So these four words you have to write when you will write the definition of carbonization. Yes. Okay. So this is the carbonization which is dictated here. That is, as coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from remains of the vegetation, coal is also called as fuel, fossil fuel. So why it is called fossil fuels? It is due to the dead remains of plant. Okay. Now move to the next page. Here is a diagram or picture of coal mine. Here some big machines are there to dig the mine and then to pick out the coal from that mine. When heated in air, coal burns and produce mainly carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so when coal is burned, coal is the constituent of coal is carbon. Now carbon when burnt in air, that is in presence of basically oxygen, it produces mainly carbon dioxide. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? That is CO2. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar, coal gas. So these are the byproducts of coke. What are these? That is, one is coal tar, coal gas, and one is coke. So what are the byproducts of coal? Coke gas, coke, coal tar, and coal gas. So if it is inquired that what are the byproducts, coke, coal tar, coal gas. Now from the name, the tar, that means it is a thick liquid. Coal gas, that is in gaseous form, and coke, this is solid. Solid, this is thick liquid, and gas, that is the gas which is just like the gas. Now we have to come to the definition of these one by one. What is destructive distillation? Because these are done by the process, that is conversion of coal to coke or coal tar or coal gas, is by destructive distillation. Now first you have to know about what is distillation. Okay. Now distillation is the process that conversion from solid mass or from liquid to the form of vapor state. Now it depends on its boiling point for liquids. Now here destructive distillation helps to burn it and to find out the any liquid part is there or any gaseous part is there. Now when coal is burned in absence of air, it produces these materials, coke, coal tar, and coal gas. So the process of heating coal in absence of air is called destructive distillation. Yes. Now coal tar is a black thick liquid, a mixture of about 200 substances, and used to get various materials for everyday life or industry like drugs, dyes, plastic, perfume, paint, naphthalene balls, etc. So this is very important with aspect of industrial use. Coal tar. Coal gas is a byproduct that is obtained during the processing of coal to form coke and is used as fuel. So conversion of coal to coke, we get coal gas. Coal tar is produced by the destructive distillation of coal. Okay. So these are the definition of coke and coal tar. Now coal gas is produced during the conversion of coal to coke. Coal gas was used for street lighting for first time in London in the year 1810 and in New York around 1820. Now nowadays it is used as a source of heat rather than light. As a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. So in the coal processing plants, the coal gas is produced, it is used as a source of heat energy. Coal tar is used for the industrial use. Yes, so here some example of conversion of energy from one source to another is posted. So the students are requested to follow these because it will help them to generate some knowledge, that is conversion of energy. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Now I will take your attendance.